This video we will see exercise 11.2 of chapter perimeter and area. Let us start exercise 11.2. Dear student, before starting this exercise, we should know this formula of area of parallelogram, that is base into height. Base into height. Now, so let us start. Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. Now here first figure is given. Its base is 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So here write down base 7 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. The area of parallelogram will be base into height, that is 7 into 4 gives 28 centimeter square, that is centimeter into centimeter become centimeter square. Now the next one is here the base is 5 and height is 3 centimeter. So area of parallelogram, that is b into height, that is 3 5s are 15 centimeter square. Now the next one is here the base is 2.5 centimeter and the height is 3.5 centimeter. So area of parallelogram will be L into B, that is 2.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter gives 8.75 centimeter square. In the same way, now dear student, here altitude is over here and base is over here. So area of parallelogram will be base into height, that is base is 5 centimeter and altitude is 4.8 centimeter. So 5 multiplied by 4.8 gives 24 centimeter square. Now the next one is here the base is 2 centimeter and its altitude is 4.4. So area of parallelogram, that is base into height, that is base is 2 centimeter and altitude is 4.4. Altitude means perpendicular bisector. It always cut the base into 90 degrees straight right angle. So when you will multiply 2 with 4.4, you will get 8.8 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter gives centimeter square. Now the next question is find the area of each of the following triangle. Now dear student, here area of triangle. The area of triangle is exactly the half of the parallelogram. As we saw earlier, previously we saw that how to get the area of a triangle formula. See dear student, this is a parallelogram. So half of parallelogram is triangle. So area of parallelogram is base into height. So what will be the area of triangle? So it should be a half of base into height. So it's very simple dear student, just make a half of parallelogram, that is base into height. The area of triangle is half of base into height. So half, here the base is 4 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. So 4 into 3. So can see if cancellation is possible. Yes, 2 2s are 4, so 2 3s are 6. Centimeter into centimeter gives centimeter square. Dear student, always your value of area should be in square meter or square centimeter. Now the next one is here, dear student, here the base is over here and the altitude is over here. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base is 5 centimeter and altitude is 3.2. Now dear student, here see if any cancellation is possible. Yes. So what we will do, 1.6 and 1.6 into 5 gives 8 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Now the next one is here, dear student, this is a right angle triangle. Here you have to consider this as a base and this as an altitude. The half into base into height, that is base is 3 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. So see 2 2s are 4, cancellation is possible, 2 3s are 6. So centimeter into centimeter gives centimeter square. Now the next one is dear student, here the altitude is in the exterior of the triangle. So see altitude is 2 centimeter and base is 3 centimeter. So what we will do, half into base into height. So base is 3 and altitude is 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So your value of area of triangle will be 3 centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. You can write over here centimeter into centimeter. Now next one, dear student, find the missing value. Here also your base is there, height is not there, but the area of parallelogram is given. Now dear student, here we have to find the missing value. Either the height should be missing or the base should be missing. So what will be the formula of such? As we all know, the area of parallelogram is always base into height. So suppose if base is missing, so area of parallelogram should be divided by height. If height is missing, so area of parallelogram should be divided by base. So dear student, it's very simple, and in such kind of question always there will be a value of area should be given. So let us start. First one, that is 20 is base and height is missing and the area of parallelogram is 246. So let us see how to do such. See here, first one, here height we have to find, whose parallelogram, area of parallelogram is given 246 and the base is 20 given. So when you will divide, you will get 12.3 centimeter So centimeter square should be divided by centimeter, so it will become 12.3 centimeter. Now the next one is here the next one is base is missing, and area is given 154.5 and the height is given 15 centimeter. So we have to find base. So what will be the formula? Base equals to area of parallelogram divided by height. The 154.5 divided by 15. So see how to do such. 154.5 divided by 15. You will see this decimal. How to remove this decimal? So put one zero over here. So when you will do cancellation, you will get 10.3 centimeter. Here 10 centimeter square divided by centimeter, you will get 10.3. Now the next one is here again base is missing. So how to find base? Base equals to area of parallelogram divided by height. So 48.72 divided by 8.4. So see dear student how to do. 48.72 divided by 8.4. So how to remove such a decimal? See here 20 will come downward and 10 will go up, and when you will do cancellation, so see 20 will come down and its 10 will go up. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and what is left? Now 4872 divided by 84. So when you will do cancellation, you will get 5.8 centimeter. Here there is a no decimal. Now the next one is base is given 15.6 and height we have to find, and the area of parallelogram is also given. So what will be the formula? The height equals to area of parallelogram divided by base. Whenever it is asked to find height, so you have to divide area of parallelogram by base, and whenever it is asked to find the base, the area of parallelogram should be divided by 5. So 16.38 should be divided by 15.6. So how much you will get? See here again, here same thing you have to do, and after cancellation you will get 1.05 centimeter. Now let us see next question. Here dear student, find the missing value. Again base and height is missing. Here base is missing, again here it is height missing, and area of a triangle is given. As we all know, the formula of area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Now you have to apply the formula of area of triangle and write down half into base into height. Here area of triangle first one is 87 is given, base is given 15 centimeter, height is missing. So do cross multiplication, 2 will come over here. The 87 multiplied by 2 and divided by 15. So when we will do multiplication and division, so you will get 11.6 centimeter. Now for the next one here, see what is given. Height is given 31.4 and the area of triangle is given 1256. We have to find the base. So again, see what we will do. Again, see here one kind of formula I had made. See here base directly. So what we will do, area of a triangle multiplied by 2 divided by height. As the area of a triangle is half into base into altitude, area, so area of triangle, so 2 will come in multiplication with the area. See here area of triangle of multiplied by 2, and suppose if height is asked, so base will come down. If base is asked, so height will come down. So here base is asked, so height will come down in division. So here area of a triangle, that is 1256 is given. So multiply by 2 divided by height, that is 31.4. So 31.4. So this decimal will go up, and when you will do cancellation and all, you will get 80 millimeter. Now for the next one, here the height is asked, base is given 22. So height equals to area of a triangle into 2 divided by base. The area of a triangle is given 170.5. You have to multiply it with 2 and you have to divide it with 22. When you will do cancellation, you will get 15.5 centimeter. Dear student, you have to practice such a cancellation and multiplication at home. It's very simple, you should know such. Now PQRS is a parallelogram. OM is the height of from Q to SR, and QM is the height from Q to PS. If SR equals to 12 centimeter and QM equals to 7.6 centimeter, fine. Now dear student, first you have to understand these conditions, this statement, that is PQRS is a parallelogram, PQRS which is given in your textbook, and QM is the height. See, from Q to M it is a height on SR which is given, and QN is the height from Q to PS. Now see, from QN is the height which is given from Q to PS. Now the length of SR, yes, SR is given, that is base is given 12 centimeter, and QM that is 7.6, it is also given, and we have to find whatever according to this question. Now the area of a parallelogram we have to find first. So dear student, here always remember there are four sides of a parallelogram are there. So obviously there should be a 4 base and 4 altitude. Now dear student, here we can easily find the area of a triangle with the help of this base and this altitude. Dear student, area of the parallelogram should be same. No doubt there will be a changes in the value of altitude and value of base. Now dear student, here also altitude and base is there, but the value of altitude is missing. So we cannot find area of parallelogram with this value. So obviously we have to go with this is one kind of a hint. So obviously we have to go with this value whose base and altitude both are given. So write down area of a parallelogram PQRS equals to base into height. So we have to take SR as a base and QM as a altitude. The value of SR is 12 and value of QM is 7.6. When you will multiply, you will get 91.2 centimeter square. Is an area of this parallelogram. Now dear student, we have to find QN, that is QN this value, if a value of PS is 8. Now dear student, here we have to find the value of this altitude. How to find? It is missing. So we have to consider this as a hint. So as I told you, as we all did previously, that suppose if area is given and if altitude or base to find, so area should be divided by, if suppose altitude is missing, so area should be divided by base. If suppose base is missing, the area should be divided by altitude. In the previous question, area was given, value of area was given. Here we had found the area. Now let us start. Area of the parallelogram PQRS, that is the value equals to base into height. Now area we had found, that is 91.2, and base PS is there whose value is 8 centimeter, and the value of QN we have to find. So when you will divide 91.2 by 8, you will get value of QN as 11.4 QN. So write down QN, it is QN. Now dear student, same you can do with another formula, that is see, this is a altitude. The altitude value is QN to find. So area, altitude you can write over here, altitude equals to area divided by base, area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram should be divided by base, and here the base is PS. Now the value of QN we need to find. The area just now we found, that is 91.2 divided by value of PS, that is 8 centimeter. Same, according to this both are same. Here direct you can apply, here with the formula you can do cross multiplication. Let us see another question. OL and BM are the height of the side AB and AD. Side AB and AD. OL and BM are the height. These are the altitude. Now, respectively, of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is given. Now, dear student, here also the area is given. No need to find the area. Now, AB is 35. And the AD is AD. Here, AD is 49. See, BC and AD. Both are, AD is 49. Find the length of BM and DL. Dear student, again same thing. Here value of altitude are missing. So what we will do? Area of the parallelogram. Here base into height. The value of area of parallelogram is given, that is 1470. Base, suppose if we are taking this base, that is first suppose we had taken AD as a base, so its altitude will be BM. The value of AD, that is base, is 49 given, and we need to find the value of BM. The BM should be, the BM equals to 1470 should be divided by 49. So when you will do such a division, so you will get how much? 30. Okay. So BM value is 30 centimeter. Now suppose again you have to apply the value of area of parallelogram whose value is given. Now take another base, that is AB, and its altitude is DL. So now base into height. Altitude means height. Now whose area, that is 1470, which is given. base we have taken AB, that is 35, and height, that is DL, we have to find height. So to find height, 35 will come down, that is 1470 should be divided by 35. The height equals to 42 centimeter. This is how you can easily do. Now the next one is triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC, see, it is one kind of a right angle triangle. Now AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. If AB equals to 5 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter hypotenuse, and AC is 12 centimeter. This is the altitude. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Now, dear student, here suppose we have to find dear student, we have to find the length of AD, that is altitude, or we can say height. So how to find such? Its base is BC. So without the value of area of triangle we cannot find this altitude, because both value cannot be missing. So how you will find the area of a triangle? So dear student, this right angle triangle is your hint. So you have to consider the area of a triangle equals to half into base into altitude, that is half into base into height. Now you have to take this as your base and this as your altitude to find the area of whole triangle. So half into base, that is AB, into height AC. So that is value of AB is 5 centimeter and value of height, that is AC, is 12 centimeter. 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30. So we got the area of whole triangle, that is 30 centimeter. Now we can easily find the value of this altitude, that is AD. Again you have to apply the formula, that is area of triangle equals to half into base into altitude. Now you have to take the another base and its altitude. Now the here another base is BC and its altitude is AD, which we require to find. Now the value of BC, that is 13 centimeter given, but AD we are going to find, and there should be the value of area of triangle which we found over here through right angle triangle. So 2 will go here and 13 will come down. When you will do multiplication and cancellation, you will get 60 by 13, or you can write in decimal form also, 60 by 13 centimeter. Now let us see sum number 8. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means whose two sides are same. That is 7.5 and here, and BC, here BC is 9 centimeter. BC is 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC, from A to BC, BC. From A to BC means altitude. They are talking about A to BC, that is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? From C to AB means we need to find the altitude of A. That is height of EC or CE. Now here also, dear student, base and altitude given, and base and altitude given. Dear student, this value is of no use. Now we are concerned with this base and altitude and this base and altitude. Here now to find the value of this CE, we need to find the area of triangle, value of area of triangle first. So how we will find the area of a triangle? So what is the formula says? Half into base into altitude. So it is possible to find the area of a triangle with the help of base into altitude, means whose both the value given, that is base and its altitude. So here the base BC, that is BC, and its altitude AD, whose both value are given, that is 9 and 6. So half into base into altitude. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. So we got the area of whole triangle. Now this is a hint. We got the area of triangle. Now this value we will apply again in the another formula, that is area of a triangle. So again you write down the area of a triangle, half into base into altitude. Now dear student, area of a triangle we got. The half is there, base, now take another base and its altitude. Now dear student, if we have taken base AB, its altitude will be C, which is asked in the question to find out. Now dear student, value of AB, which is 7.5, but C is not there. So dear student, it is not possible to find if both the values are missing. Means area of a triangle should be there. As I told you earlier also, that if suppose a base is missing, the area of a triangle should be divided by altitude. If altitude is missing, area of triangle should be divided by base. So here also, here altitude is missing, so area of a triangle should be divided by base. So 27 should be divided by 7.5, and 2 will go in cross multiplication. So after cancellation, you will get 7.2 centimeter as a height.